Hello friends. Today we bring new product. It is something like that when you buy new TV, then you will get audio output optical and you will not get stereo 3.5 earphone jack or RC output. Then you need same optical input speaker like soundbar and all those, but you have a old speaker and it is in a good condition and you want to use that, then you cannot directly connect TV to speaker. So for that we have a solution, and today we bring this digital to analog converter. It does have a digital input and output will be a analog like 3.5 jack or 2RC jack. So let's start today's video. We will gonna learn how to connect new TV to old speaker and what type of settings we need to change in our TV. This is digital to analog converter. You can see here input optical and output is 2RC cable. So we can use this digital to analog audio converter. We need this power adapter for turning on this converter. Let's now we check what type of cables we require for this connection. We need one optical cable. You can see here like a laser light you can see. We need 2RC to 2RC cable. We have a 2RC output from the converter. So if your speaker does have a stereo 3.5 jack input, so you need another cable 2RC to stereo cable. Let's start. Now we will connect our optical cable one side to the TV and another side we will connect to the converter input. We have to check optical cable shape. One side will be light cow and another side will be flat, so we have to check that and we have to insert the cable in TV and as well as in a converter. So we have connect our optical cable to the converter. Now we will plug in power connection to the converter. You can see here it is now on. You can see the blue light. Now we will connect second side of the cable which comes from the our speaker. In my case we are using 2RC to 2RC cable, and one side we have connected to the speaker and second side we are now connecting to the converter. So now converter is ready. Now we will play some video in TV, but as you can see we cannot hear sound from the speaker. We have already checked the volume, so now we have to do some setting in TV. Now we have to go to the setting, then we will select sound, then we will select speaker option. In that we will find two option. One is TV speaker and one is audio output optical. So we will select optical, and now we will play video in TV. So now we can, as you see, we can hear sound from the our speaker. As I'm increasing my volume in TV, so you can see that it's showing one symbol. It means that our output is set in optical. So now we can use our home theater remote or manually we can increase or decrease the volume. So this, with this converter we can use our old speaker to new TV. Same thing, if you have a old TV and which does not have a optical output and you have a 2RC or stereo 3.5 jack output in your TV, then you need analog to digital converter. This we have used digital to analog. Then if you have a old TV and new speaker, if you buy a new sound bar, then you will get input optical. So you need optical connection to convert your old TV into the optical connection. You need analog to digital converter. So this type, with this digital to analog and analog to digital converter, you can use your old speaker or old TV to the new speaker or old speaker. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe our YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.